Let me show you your bus stop forecast for tomorrow. It does include some rain. Cooler temperatures on deck for tomorrow too, by the way. We're starting out in the mid 60s. Your sunrise, which we're not going to see a lot of, is at 7:22. At this hour, 79. Relative humidity is at 49%. Dew points in the 50s, so the air relatively dry. Upper 70s for today. The average high, by the way, 80 degrees. If you go back to the 15th of August in Indy, we've only had just under a quarter of an inch of rain. That's nearly 3 inches below average. And tomorrow and tonight are the best shots that we're going to have of seeing some liquid here. Otherwise, it is sunshine and plenty of it in our 7-day forecast. So just know, on average, most spots about 1/10 of an inch. We're pushing near 80 degrees, in fact, above that in some locations as we look back to the west, underneath the cloud deck in the 60s, but even behind the front, only 73 in Des Moines. You see the change up to the northwest of us along that front that will move through overnight and first thing tomorrow morning. So from west to east, we'll start to see the showers pick up a bit, but I don't expect much east of Indy before midnight, and even around the metro area it's generally going to be light. But again, once we get into tomorrow morning, notice that we do expect widespread showers, albeit going to be light, but we do expect the roads to get a little bit wet here. Overnight rain odds in early tomorrow morning will be the highest probability that you're going to see some raindrops here. Tomorrow morning, cloud cover around with the showers. By noontime, it should ease. And by this time tomorrow, I expect we're going to get into some peaks of sunshine, and that will mark the beginning of another sunny streak for us in the 7-day forecast, as the odds of rain tomorrow will drop significantly. So it will not be a washout tomorrow by any stretch, but patience will be needed for outdoor plans here. You can see on Future Track 13, we'll start to see some breaks in that cloud deck emerging, and overall it's going to be a pretty good finish to the day. And the high that starts to slide in will play a role in what happens to Lee later in the week. It's going to bring us some cool mornings, some mild afternoons, and for September weather, I don't know if you could ask for much better than what's on the platter here as we go through the middle portion of the week. 7-day forecast here. Again, comfortable air for sure, maybe a few degrees below average. Looking ahead to the weekend, the sunshine continues warming up. Highs nearing 80 by Saturday and Sunday.